If isolated mode is turned on for our mirroring brush and the dense bit is set, we're going to make this three-prong brush that faces towards the horizontal and vertical midline. Let's go over the code. In Eddy Game data section within Eddy Game editor state, we've changed the XYD bits to 7, which is binary 111. In the MIRMAID function section within the symmetric bilateral isolated code, we have added the prong code here, dense mode vector. So when the dense bit is set, we're going to declare these variables. Pause to look at that. Here is the lower midline and the upper midline because there's no exact center of a power of 2 tile map. We're going to iterate through all of the previous plot points. We're going to extract local tile X, local tile Y, and the binary tile, shove it into here, and then we're going to add prongs depending on what side of the midline we're on. So if we are to the left of the vertical midline, we're going to add a plot point prong that is facing to the right towards the vertical midline. If we are to the other side of the vertical midline, then we're going to add a point or a prong that is facing to the left. And then down here, same idea. If we are above the horizontal midline, then we're going to add a prong that is facing downward. So it's a plus because we have an inverted y-axis. This is pointing downward. And then here, if we are beneath the horizontal midline, we're going to add a plot point that's facing upwards, like a prong that's facing upwards. And if not neither, right, we skip it if we're like on the midline, right? And then that's all we did. So here's what we did previously. Here's our little diagram, right? We have the original plot point, the X mirror, the Y mirror, and the little prongs, right? This is a diagram explaining what we're doing. And then down here is what we did in this video. So when the mirror brush is in isolated mode and the dense bit is set, the brush will have prongs added to it that face the horizontal and vertical midlines. Source code is here. You can email me here, and you are on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to this playlist. Technical demos are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.